Hi guys, it's me Amar Dharkar and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a very different doll, which is not a Barbie doll but an articulated doll. And today's video is a requested video of one of my viewers. His name is Amal Mittal. So he requested me to review the articulated doll, but not the Barbie doll, which can be easily available on Flipkart. So his request, so today I'm just going to review that doll. So I have chosen from Flipkart the Steffi doll, which looks like this. Steffi in glitter skates. So I have chosen this is not a Barbie doll but it's an articulated doll. So if you want to know the details about this doll right here, so please continue watching. Alright, so now I'm going to be unboxing this Steffi doll, but before unboxing, this is the look of the outer packaging of this doll. Packaging is, I must say, a very good packaging, and on the back here is a Steffi doll, and it's written its cost of Indian price rupees 999, but I've got it discount at rupees 749 and around 749. So this is the outer box, which is well packed, I must say, and on side also you can see this Steffi on back, and here it is written this is meant for children above 3 years of age. So wow, so this is how she looks. She's beautiful with a glitter skirt. So she's really well packed, I must say. The box quality is also good, and she's also packed like a Barbie doll, which here you can see the tags, and it comes with this instructions rule, which is I think it is not, I mean, I cannot read this language, it is in some different language, so maybe this is regarding the brand. So anyways, so I got this one instruction, so I'm going to untie now. This packaging and this doll is looking so beautiful that I don't feel like to unboxing this. I mean, like, of course I am going to be unboxing, but I'm just saying. So she's out of the box and she looks like this. As you can see, her hair is tied with this rubber band and this transparent rubber band, so two rubbers attached, and the skirt is not at its best position, so I'm going to be wearing her nicely, and let's see. So yeah, now she looks good. So anyway, now she looks like this. She's beautiful. She has a blue eyes, and she's wearing the eyeshadow highlighter underneath the eyebrows, so which is, you can see the metallic eyeshadow and highlighter. She's wearing a makeup, and she's wearing a very rosy pink blush, which is really visible, and a mauve lipstick with open mouth. So this is how this Steffi doll looks like. And from the back, hair quality, I must say, hair is really nice. I can see the quality of the hair is good, and she has this kind of a hairstyle. So now let's talk about the dress. She comes with the two-piece dress, like a top and the skirt. So on this top it is a heart print and glitters lip, and it's a glittery top. It has a velcro at back, as you can see, which is a good thing because I don't like the dress which doesn't have the velcros, and this skirt also has the velcros at the back, so which is a good thing. So now let's talk about the articulation of this doll. This is my first Steffi doll, to be very honest. So she can move her hand like this outside, which is a good thing. She has the articulation on the elbows, so well, she can move her hand. Also on her wrist, she can move her wrist, so she can just, she is good articulated on these elbows, and the hands also articulated. The plastic material is good, it is not feeling cheap, to be honest, and this is a good quality doll, I would say. It's not feeling cheap at all. The articulation also on the knees, so, and on the ankles as well, so it is highly articulated, I would say. Also on, I think she can rotate 360 degrees. I mean, this is so weird. Can you see? She can rotate 360 degree her hip, so which is quite surprising. So anyways, so this is the, and now she comes with this accessories. I'm going to be opening this. So a helmet which is a glitter, can you see? It is a glittery, so I'm going to be wearing on her. However, I'm not going to play with this kind of stuff, maybe for photographs. So helmet fits nicely on her. Also she has this thing like a knee pads and the elbow pads like this. So let's wear on her how it looks. Oh my god, this is it is glittery, but you know, the glitters are actually not even, it is uneven, which is quite disappointing. So I got it for 749, but now I can see the sale is on, so it is of 649, I mean around. So I have to pay 100 rupees more. So but anyways, I got it early, so which is a good thing. So, glitters are coming off, to be honest. So quality of this accessories is very average. So this is how the elbow pad, I think, because I never worn, I think, such elbow pads or knee pads. Even I was used to do skatings on when I was a teenager. So anyways, so, and she comes with finally the footwear and the skates, of course, which is the USP of this, I mean, like, this doll. But I'm really thankful to one of my viewers who has suggested it, because I am just loving the Steffi dolls. So this is how her footwear looks like. It's a glittery footwear, as you can see, and it comes with this skating board, which is 2-in-1, which is as per the instructions. So I'm going to wear her. Yeah. So this is how she looks, and oh my god, look at this articulation, squats. And yes, little bit she can go side by side as well. She can move her head up and down like a Barbie doll, but not as long, as good as Barbie doll, but she can move her head. So without skates she looks like this. So now I'm going to be, and this skates, by the way, this circle, it doesn't work, it's just a showpiece. I mean, it would be, really nice that if they would have just given a, the wheels, but the wheel doesn't work, so which is quite annoying. But anyways, that's fine. I mean, I'm not going to play with for any which ways. So how she looks completely with skates. It is not properly attached, but it's fine. So this is pretty much the review, and yeah, I mean, overall I would say I recommend it or not. Yes, of course I recommend it, highly recommend this, because this is according to the price point, and the articulation you're getting at this price. I mean, you can just give it a shot. And the quality of the doll is also very good, it's not cheap at all. I mean, it has a good articulation doll, and the quality is also good. So this skirt is also very glittery and shiny, so the clothes quality is also really nice. I'm just going to open, and because see, this kind of a tag, it is written Simba doll, which is of course the brand name or a company name anyways. So the clothes quality is also good, because like Barbie doll, at this, if you want to buy the articulated Barbie, it is above 1,000 rupees. But at decent price, if you want an articulate doll, this Steffi doll is good. So this I have chosen because I did not like extremely cheap dolls. I mean, of course I like any kind of doll because I'm a doll lover, but nowadays I like a good quality dolls. So I have chosen this Steffi doll. So if you're spending your money and if you want to play with the dolls, you should spend a good amount. Of course, at budget also the dolls are available, which are good dolls. So this is pretty much my review. Overall, I like all kind of dolls, but Barbie dolls are one of my favorite. This is the Steffi doll, and I hope that Mr. Aman Mittal, thank you so much for your request. I hope that this video was helpful to you. And guys, please let me know in the comment section that which doll you want me to review next, so I'll try to do that. And thanks for watching. Please show some love by subscribing, and if you really like this video, then give it a like button. If you dislike it, that's fine, because I don't take it in a negative sense. It's fine. If you like it, then please like it, and please do subscribe my channel, because that gives me the motivation to bring out the videos for you. So that is it. So before wrapping up the video, this is the final look. Good, beautiful dolls. So yes, so I highly recommend it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and this lockdown, please take care of yourself and your family. Enjoy your hobby, keep yourself busy, and take best care of yourself and your family. Love you so much, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Love you all. Thank you.